In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off participants' video in Zoom. Whether you're hosting a virtual meeting, a workshop, or collaborating with colleagues from around the world, managing the visual aspect of your meeting can greatly enhance the overall experience. At times, you might want to preserve bandwidth, enhance focus, or perhaps ensure privacy, and turning off participant video can be the solution you need. Let's dive right into the process, starting with how to locate the participants button. Once you've joined your Zoom meeting as the host, look at the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll find several options to choose from. You're going to want to focus on the one labeled as Participants. Clicking on this will open up a new panel on the right side of your screen. This panel will display a list of everyone who's currently in your meeting. It serves as your control center for managing participants' interactions. Now, with the participant list open, you're going to carefully look for the specific participant whose video you want to turn off. Next to each participant's name, there's a video camera icon. The appearance of this icon can vary. If it's highlighted, that means their video is currently on and you can visually see them in your meeting gallery. When you hover over this icon, it should become slightly more prominent, indicating that it's clickable. Now, one quick and precise click on this icon will disable their video stream. Instantly, without any need for further confirmations or dialogues,